She did it, yay! Good morning, guys. Very beautiful day here in Jerusalem today. Finally some sun. So today is our 8th day in Israel. Wonderful trip so far, many adventures, and one was the drone. So basically I bought the permit to fly the drone here in Israel. However, in Jordan it is not permitted to import it. I've taken the risk and it was confiscated by the Jordanian authorities at the border. So what happened is that they took it and they gave me a receipt, and it's okay, you can go to Jordan and you have 90 days to come back at this border. So basically at the north border, which is called Jordan River Crossing, you have 90 days to take it, otherwise we'll keep it, basically. The thing is, the tour that we were on went through another border, so there are two borders from Israel to Jordan. So to go into Jordan, we went to the northern border, and to come back to Israel, we went to the southern border. So yesterday, we had to spend the whole day going from Jerusalem to the north border, which is 2.5 hour trip in bus. Take the drone, so I had to exit Israel to pay a fee, obviously. So the fee to exit Israel is $14. And then when I was at the immigration in Jordan, they finally gave me a drone. They were actually quite nice, even though no one spoke English, like literally not one person. They made me pay to enter and exit Jordan, even though I was only stuck at the immigration, even though I didn't enter the country. They made me pay, which is still fine, because it's 10 Jordanian dinar, which is the equivalent of $15, so it's still okay. And then back to Israel, full of questions. Why did you exit Israel? Why did you go to Jordan? Why did you do all of this in one single day? Blah blah blah. Quite a stressful situation that lasts 3.5 hours, something like that, just to take the drone, but it was worth it. I also have a blog, so I will write weekly articles to help you guys not making the same mistakes. So I'll put the link to my blog in the description below. And today it is Ein Gedi Day, so let's see what this is about.
התחנה הבאה, צומת מצוקי דרגות. The next station, מצוקי דרגות Junction.
Okay guys, so total disappointment, because the hotel basically gives you the shuttle to go to the Dead Sea, and they call it their private beach. However, the shuttle takes you to a wellness center, and basically from there you have to walk to go to the Dead Sea. So it's not an actual private beach, it's more like a wellness center. And right now we're walking to the private beach. Hopefully it's going to be a private beach, because we don't know. That's what the road looks like. We've been walking for now 10 minutes. If you come to the Dead Sea, you might want to shave your body hair. If you do it at least 24 hours before coming, because basically when you shave, your pores open and the water is very salty, so your skin is gonna burn a lot. Don't forget it. Come to the Dead Sea, yes. Have a bath, yes. Shave your hair 24 hours before. Don't forget it, very important.
Here I am floating in the Dead Sea, guys. Oh my god. It's quite cool to be floating. This is so full of salt. If you like, you can see I'm floating, right? But when you go to lower areas, my bum is crashing against the floor, and it's like, oh gosh. I was saying, and I'm not lying, that it's kind of it's painful. Look. Okay, now he's telling me I have to go back. He's going there somewhere on an experiment.
planned. We wanted to go to the Botanic Garden, which is just next to the hotel. However, we came back at the hotel, it was around 6 and it was really dark outside, just like now. Yeah, not really worth it. What's gonna happen tomorrow is that we're going to take the bus back to Jerusalem and then to Tel Aviv. I also wanted to mention that if you want to come here at the Dead Sea, it's pretty easy. So you just have to go to the bus station in Jerusalem and buy a return ticket to Ein Gedi, which I'm going to write here below. It's going to cost you 80 shekel per person, which is around $25. Otherwise, you can stay in this wonderful hotel. I have the map here, so I'll show you. You have, here it is. So you have, well, if you're Jewish, you have the synagogue. Let me click. You have obviously cafe, bar and restaurant. You have children's club, so if you're coming with your children, that's pretty cool. Pool, snack bar, viewpoint, the swimming pool, obviously, mini golf, the spa, and the hotel restaurant, obviously. So you have 2 restaurants in here. I really recommend it. The price is around $200 a night. 100% recommended. Now, time for dinner. Let's go. So you can see, I've taken bread, falafel, potatoes, mashed potatoes, turkey, hummus salad, and she's taken sea bass, rice, mashed
Bolognese
potatoes,
sauce.
bolognese sauce,
Potato soup.
salad, and hummus. Yeah. So, all you can eat buffet. And as you can see, Chris is floating. Hello? Then you also have the sauna and the hammam, Turkish hammam. Inside you also have a selection of tea, fresh tea or tea bags with coffee. Really, really nice. Proper 5-star hotel with the pool, the hot water. And there's another pool outside. And this one is from normal water, the sweet water, not the Dead Sea one. Guys, we are in a botanic garden. Hello? He saw me. There is another one. He's hiding. Hello, baby. If you guys know what this animal is, then please comment below because I have no idea. Good morning. We spent 10 days in Israel. We've seen a lot, not enough. Very rich country, very interesting, very rich country, very pricey. We'll definitely come back. But for now, this is our last morning, so we're going to go to the Old Jaffa because we didn't do it the first day, and see what it has to offer. Let's go. Hey guys, so this will be the last video I will make here in Israel. Thank you so much for watching it until the end. I hope you liked it. If you didn't like it, leave your feedback in the comment below. You can reach out to me on Facebook, on Instagram, wherever you like. Hit the subscribe button for other videos, and yeah, see you very soon. Cheers.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on